Are you ready to turn your dreams into reality? To turn your dreams into reality, imagine a simple technique that could help manifest your deepest desires while you sleep. This two-word technique, when practiced before sleep, will attract your dreams and desires, making them come alive. Harness the power of your subconscious by aligning it with your intentions. It's one thing to work hard, but it's another to actualize your ambitions if your spiritual alignment is off. Here's the deal. It's about aligning your intentions with your subconscious, paving the way for abundance and success. Have you ever wondered why some effortlessly attract prosperity while others struggle endlessly? You see people living with abundance and peace, not just through endless grinding. Even super successful people have faced challenges, but guess what? In this video, I'm going to share a cool technique to help you beat the fear of failing and make real progress toward your goals. Trust me, it's going to be awesome. Join me as we explore this powerful two-word technique to unlock your path to fulfillment. Unlock the extraordinary power of your mindset to transform your life. Before we dive into the technique, let's understand why it works. You, me, everyone, we're all wired the same way. We're born to visualize and achieve. We're not meant for poverty. Seriously, none of us are. It's just how we're trained to think. But guess what? We have the power to change that by flipping our mindset. Think differently, and your whole future could change. You could live your dream life, rolling in wealth and feeling amazing. Being rich doesn't mean being unhappy. You have the power to change it all by changing how you think. Discover how your emotional state shapes your reality and unlocks your potential. Ever heard people say your genes determine everything? Well, your emotional state plays a huge role in your health. Your body regenerates cells constantly, millions every second. If our whole body gets a makeover every few years, why would illness stick around? It's all in your head, literally. Metaphysics and quantum physics have been exploring this for ages, and even mainstream science is catching on. You've been programmed to expect struggles, but you can reprogram that. By changing your mindset, you're opening doors to great relationships, wealth, and a universe of possibilities. Unleash the transformative power of your subconscious mind to achieve your dreams. Convincing someone else is one thing, but convincing your own mind, especially the subconscious part, is the real challenge. Your subconscious is like a supercomputer. Ever try telling your brain to wake you up at a certain time? It works. Now think about sleep. We spend a third of our lives sleeping, recharging. Without enough sleep, you'll be cranky and down. Dreams are like your brain's way of dropping hints while you sleep. Your subconscious never really sleeps. It's always ready to listen, especially right before bed. That's when it's most receptive. During the day, we're caught up in the grind, but right before bed, it's like a magic time when you can focus on positive thoughts. This nightly practice can make a big difference. Neville Goddard and Jesus both emphasize the power of imagination and prayer. Jesus said, when you pray, believe you've already received what you're asking for, and it will happen. So when you imagine your dreams, don't just think about them. Visualize and feel them as if they're already happening. Here's what you can do. Grab a notebook and list all the things you want in life. Dream big and put them in order of importance. Read through your list and imagine each thing as if it's already happening. Picture yourself living those dreams. Even if you only visualize a few goals before you fall asleep, your brain knows what's most important. Now let's talk about those two powerful words. Dr. Joseph Murphy, the genius behind the power of the subconscious mind, has a technique for this. Pick two words that match what you want most in life. For example, if you're after love and wealth, choose words like love and wealth. Write these words in your notebook as if your dreams depend on them. Before bed, repeat these words like a mantra until you drift off. These words are like secret codes that unlock your dreams. Stick to this routine every night, and you'll start seeing changes. Consistency is key. Manifesting isn't a replacement for working hard, planning smart, or staying healthy. It's an extra boost to keep you positive and motivated. As you wind down for the night, take a moment to reflect. Your dreams are within reach, and it all starts with a bedtime ritual. Envision your goals, plan for tomorrow, and set your sights on the future you want. You hold the power to shape your reality. Consistency is essential. Continue your practice over time and be patient with the manifestation process. Significant results may not be visible right away. Stay grateful, stay determined, and keep pushing forward. Make these techniques a part of your daily routine and watch as they work their magic in your life. So go ahead, dream big, take action, and never doubt the process. With dedication and gratitude, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep chasing those dreams.